In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a beat in Pro Tools. Now to do this, there's a bunch of different ways. I'm gonna show you one which I do think is going to be the easiest for you. So let's pretend like this is a beat I have over here, so this little section of my audio, and I simply want to loop it. So to loop it, the easiest way would be to simply select the grid up top left over here, which allows you to basically extend things and whatnot. And then from here, you wanna go and hover over this tool, which is the trim tool, right click and click on loop. So whenever you do this, you can go and hover over it. As you can see, it's gonna kind of show a bracket with kind of an arrow next to it. So you wanna click at the edge and then click and drag. And when you do this, as you can see, I'm basically looping the beat, okay? So I can loop it for however long I want. And just like this, when I release, I do have a looped beat right now here inside my track. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.